Hey guys, Forsaken Reality here. In this video we'll be integrating the climbing component into Tactical Shooter Kit. And for this one I'm using version 5.3, and the version of Tactical Shooter that I'm using is the one in the Discord download, but it'll also work just the same for the other one. The only difference is a few meshes for now. So without further ado, we will get into this integration. First I'm just going to open up the shooter template map. Now the first thing we want to do is enable the motion warping plugins. So edit plugins, motion warping, and right here motion warping beta. So click restart now. Pause my memory restarts. Alright, now that that's done, we can come in here. Kind of bonus that I open that map, I guess. Now we're here again. But we want to come into our climbing component, demo, character, mannequins, meshes, and SK mannequin here. We want to delete that and set our reference to leave this one right here. Yeah, this mannequin right here in the shooter template, and replace references. Save selected, and we're just going to also fix the redirectors. And I'll pause while that's happening. And now that we have that done, we'll want to come into our blueprints for our climbing component, character, and BB master character. And in the event graph, we don't need that one open right now. We go to DevPix. We go to our DevPix Labs, shooter template, blueprints, character, DP master character in here. Go to our event graph. Or I guess we search for motion warping. Add that. And climbing. Add our climbing component. And that's it for the motion warping component. And now we want to set up our inputs. We can come into our climbing components character. And we'll grab the climbing input here. And we'll go input graph on the Tactical Shooter Kit character. And we want to go into movement input. And make sure you drag out and switch reference for climbing component. And for this right here, you can either just create a new input or spacebar like that. That will trigger. You click space. I guess you could just that over here in our jump event. Pressed. Trigger our climb event. And now if we go and test this, go into the climbing components, devil level, showcase map, default settings, and in game. or we'll just climb. Better master. Not one. You want this master character? And there's bugs because the controller is not using our controller, but we can climb and everything works. Some audio component issues, and that's because we're not using our proper controller right here. We don't have our HUD set up, so nothing is actually being triggered there. But other than that, everything is working fine. And one more thing you're going to want to do to fix some rotation issues with climbing is come to your climbing component, climbing system, PC climbing component. Search for climb references table right here in the event graph. And you want to remove that. And table. Delete this one and that. And you should be good to go.